Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to walk you through the process of registering for a Digital Federal Credit Union (DCU) account in a beginner-friendly, step-by-step manner. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Digital Federal Credit Union website. Open your web browser and go to the official Digital Federal Credit Union website at www.ccu.org. This is where you'll start the process of opening your new account. Step 2. Locate the Join DCU button. Once you're on the home page, look for the Join DCU button. This is usually prominently displayed, and it's your gateway to starting the application. Click on it. Step 3. Review membership eligibility. Before proceeding, you'll need to read about the eligibility requirements. DCU primarily serves individuals from various groups, including those who work at certain companies or live in specific areas. Make sure you meet these criteria. Step 4. Start the online application. If you're eligible, continue by clicking on the Apply Now or similar button. This will take you to the online application form, where you will enter your personal information. Step 5. Fill out your personal information. You'll be prompted to provide details such as your name, address, social security number, date of birth, and contact information. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid issues later on. Step 6. Set up your account preferences. Next, you'll be asked to set up your account preferences. This includes choosing the type of account you want, like a savings or checking account, and any additional services you might wish to include. Step 7. Create your online banking credentials. You will need to create a username and password for your online banking access. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Step 8. Review and submit your application. Take a moment to review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. Once you're satisfied, submit your application. Step 9. Confirmation and next steps. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation email from DCU. This will contain details about your application status and any further steps you need to take. Step 10. Fund your account. Once your account has been approved, you'll need to fund it. You can do this via electronic transfer, check deposit, or any other methods provided by DCU. Step 11. Explore your new account. Now that your account is funded, you can log into your online banking dashboard and explore the features available to you. Thank you for following along with this step-by-step guide to registering for a Digital Federal Credit Union account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.